Welcome to Tsuno, a beautiful small village in Miyazaki, Japan. We visited during the rain season and it rained a lot. But rain also has a nice charm to it. The first place we visited was the Tsuno Winery. I forgot to film inside, I was busy trying the wine and it was very delicious. The wine tasted very fruity and sweet. After, we went to a pudding place with delicious local pudding and juice. The juice is famous and is being sold in the 7 stars. The 7 stars in Kyushu is a deluxe sleeping car excursion train operated by Kyushu Railway. The pudding was very smooth and very delicious. It wasn't too sweet. So this place is definitely worth a visit if you are in the area. The next place we visit is the Taki Shrine, a shrine with a beautiful and really amazing waterfall. This place gives a really nice Ghibli vibe. Actually, I think we were lucky with the rain, because the waterfall during the time we visited was way more beautiful than usual and the amount of water was amazing. The first day we made a tour around in the car, since it was raining really hard. The second day we went around with the bicycle, since it was a really nice, warm and sunny day. The first place of day 2 was the harbor, to look at the ocean. After we did a bicycle tour to the Tsuno Shrine and enjoyed the views of all the rice fields and the beautiful nature with the fresh air. According to the legend, this shrine is said to have been built by Tenno Jimmu before he reached the throne more than 2,700 years ago. The Tsuno Shrine is originally called Hinata Kuninomiya and is dedicated to the god Onamuchi no Mikoto. This shrine practices the Ishimochi Shinto ritual, which is to choose one of the small rocks here and then you give a gift to the god. After that, you carry the stone over and place it down in front of one of the deity's places of worship. In front of the entrance gate, you have to purify your body by doing a small hand washing ritual. Enter through the Shinmon gate and place the stone in front of the deity of your choice. Close to the Tsuno Shrine is the Taki Shrine, which we visited the day before. During the heavy rain, we decided to pay another visit since we really enjoyed that place. The amount of water is still amazing, and with the sun rays shining through the leaves, it is an amazing, beautiful view. Thank you for watching the new video about Tsuno. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, ask in the comments. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe for more.